Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today, we're gonna do ASMR. So today, we're gonna unbox this from my artist. Wait, this one, sorry guys, that's a loud noise. That's from my papa, teacher. So this one, I think gave me, so it is too light. Wait guys, I'll close this. There we go. I close this. I'm actually in the window there. So this one. The chipaket. Truly, my name is this one. And this one is from the other student. Papa's student. Papa's student. That's my papa student. Give me this. Let's open this. She said, thank you. So let's open it. This one. Rinigin nyo guys. So this is what you give. So that's so cool guys. So let's open this. There we go. Next one is this one. So here I am guys. And today I'm gonna sleep in our room. Is the aircon one, the aircon one. So I'm gonna sleep here. Actually guys, you can a big package like my head see my from Ate Alina today and with heart. That's me, Ate Alina, and she was so kind. Ate well, she's not real my ate, but I can call her ate. Because ito, ang pinit. Guys. Ayan yung naman. Dalawang photo cards black tea. Ito na. Photo cards Kobe and Kirby. Ito yung sa kapatid ko guys. Pwede lang nagbigay siya kasi ayan na yung kapatid ko. Tsaka nakatulog siya. Ang ingin naman ng ano pa yan. Ay, basahin. Ano na pa kaya na alam. Ano kayo binigay sa akin? Pag nakadalawin na kayo. Ayan, open ko na. Ano kayo?
Hindi pa yun.
She was one of the first middle blockers for KJ at multiple awards also. How are you?
Hindi na yun.
Kaya, ang subugon.
Wait lang. I-ano ko ng photo. Matutulog na rin ako guys. Tsaka sa pag nakita yung gamit-gamit ko. Eh dito po gamit-gamit ko. Saglit lang na eh. Magagawin ako akong vlog po ako. Yung cellphone ko ni Kobe, asan?
Wala na lang. Bigay.
Ayun. Ayan ako na. Wait, lang. Ang cute. Ang cute sa laki. Ah? Papa. Papa. Nagiging na sa sabihin ko sa chocolate.
Alam na kaya?
So guys, i-check niyo yung short video na papunta ako sa aircon. I-house tour ko kayo. Saka guys, actually nakita din natin yung bahay ko dito. Dati pa. Ayan. So guys, babalik ko. Tsaka mamaya ko na ata i-open yung Blackpink. Kasi natulog ako. Tsaka hiramin ng nanay ko yung cellphone ko. Dahil yung kapatid ko Kobe. Bibigay ko sa kanya. Okay, pasok mo na si Kirby. Diyan lang si Kirby. Sige pa, love you. Sana ako dun. So, see you and thank you for watching.